Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. For those who are joining me for the first time, my name is Alun Silva and I am an online entrepreneur. So today I'm going to do an honest review of the 4% Success Challenge. So what is the 4% Success Challenge? First of all, what is the 4%? I guess you might have heard about this, and if you haven't, I'm going to talk more about this today. I'm going to do a review actually. And the 4% Success Challenge actually, it has been very it's hot now. It's all over the place on the internet, and if you haven't heard of it, that's fine, it's all right. It's actually a step-by-step guide to teach beginners, totally newbies, how they can start an online business doing affiliate marketing. And this training was developed by the 4%, and the 4% group is a company owned by Vic Strizes. Vic Strizes is actually my personal mentor. And Vic, if you're watching this, I'm saying hi and thank you for changing my life. Thank you for the teachings. I'm really grateful. So yeah, Vic Strides is actually the main, he's actually the teacher, the coach, and he teaches you everything you have to know. You being a beginner, a complete newbie, you've never known anything on the internet, you're just starting out. Everything you have to know from beginning to the end. And this program, the 4% Success Challenge, is actually divided into 3 levels. So level 1, level 2, and level 3. Before I go any further, for full transparency, I'm currently a student of this program, and I've been into this program for about 4 months. And to be honest with you, it has really changed my life. I've been able to build my business and make sales. Can you believe? Prior to the Success Challenge, I've never known anything online. I had a job, I was working, and I got tired. I thought I would want to have freedom, and I thought I should look into how to build a business online, how to earn money online. And I came across the Success Challenge. I enrolled, and I was able to start my business from scratch, knowing nothing. And now I'm actually full-time online entrepreneur, and yeah, it's going on very well. So yes, let me dive right into it. I don't want to bore you with so much thing. Today I'm just going to do an honest review, and of course, if this was interesting, if you found it useful, you can always check it out for yourself. I'm going to leave a link below. So yes, so I'm logged in into my members area. This is the back end office of the 4%, and to your extreme left, you're going to see the menu. We have the dashboard, the reviews, community, programs, and whatnot. But one thing that is very, very interesting and actually very unique to the 4% platform is this partner center. So the partner center, basically, for those who are doing affiliate marketing, those who are affiliate with the company. The reason why this is unique is because this MSI ecosystem is actually, it means multiple streams of income. Now, what is multiple streams of income? I've tried to be an affiliate of that program, but I've never ever came across this concept of multiple streams of income. So this actually, as the name implies, multiple streams of income. So that means incomes come to you from various streams just by you being connected or being an affiliate with the 4%. As of now that I'm recording this for you, we have about 15 different sources through which you receive money. Actually, through which you get paid just by being an affiliate with the 4%. So this includes, ClickMagick, ClickFunnels, Udemy, and stuff. This is actually a very, very interesting. So basically, if you're an affiliate with the 4% Success Challenge, with the 4%, just by promoting their product, you can be, because the system, their platform is connected with your affiliates from those companies, and through the 4%, you can be paid from those companies. So let me give you a quick example. For example, if you're an affiliate with the 4% and you drive a customer to the 4%, when that customer buys from the 4%, and apart from you just receiving one-time commission, throughout the lifetime of that customer, if perchance he subscribes to ClickMagick or ClickFunnels through the 4% platform, you also get paid. I mean, this is crazy. This is absolutely phenomenal. When you bring a customer to the 4%, you see, in the lifetime, throughout the lifetime of that customer, no matter what he buys or what he does, you get paid throughout his lifetime. So this is what is called the multiple streams of income. It's phenomenal. It's crazy. You should actually check it out for yourself. You can be paid without without necessarily promoting each of these streams. You can be paid multiple streams just by promoting one thing, one product. This is crazy. But without further ado, I'm actually going to show you the success challenge. And before that, the success challenge actually is a step-by-step, as I said earlier, is a step-by-step guide, is a daily training that actually helps beginners to start earning money online doing affiliate marketing. As I mentioned earlier, it has 3 levels. So let's get into it. It has 3 levels. It has level 1, level 2, and level 3. Now, level 1, level 1, the aim of level 1, the outcome of level 1 is for you to be able to hit your target, which is $10,000 in sales. That's the aim of level 1. Sorry, I'm just going to lower this here. Now, the aim of level 2, as you can see, the aim of level 2 is for you to be able to earn $100,000 selling other people's product in sales. $100,000 in sales. And of course, the big one, the aim of level 3 is for 1 million. Right now, you can see level 2 and level 3 are locked up for me because I've not yet unlocked them. I'm still undergoing the training. I'm still at level 1, and it has been phenomenal. It has really been phenomenal. Like, it has really taught me everything. I'm going to give you just a sneak peek of the structure of the course. So when you click on this button right here, you get into the course. So the success challenge actually teaches you how you can earn 10,000 US dollars in sales selling other people's products step by step within 30 sessions. So you get all these various sessions. You get session 1, 2, 3. So basically every session unfolds to you after 24 hours. So this is done to help in every session. You actually have to, when you're done with all the modules in a session, you actually have to tick off that you're done, and then the next session will be open to you 24 hours after you ended the previous session. It is a step by step. I'm not going to go too deep into this, but you should check it out for yourself. In session 1, we had, like, just to give you a sneak preview of this. And by the way, Vic is a great teacher. He goes in details. He explains everything one by one, and he has like video tutorials that shows you the step one by one. Literally, it's as if you're behind him. You are in his room. You're in the room. Actually in his teaching area where he teaches you everything. So this is actually this is the structure of every session is basically like this. You have an introduction that tells you what we're going to learn today. You have your action steps. So step 1, step 2, step 3, and then step 5, completion. One major thing about the success challenge is that it also handles your mindset. It handles the way you think, because there is a way to think as entrepreneurs. There is a way to think as winners. I love what Les Brown said one day. Les Brown said that there are those who win, and there are those who haven't learned how to win, and then there are the losers. Now, being a loser now doesn't mean that you will never be a winner. What you have to do is to learn how to win, and to learn how to win has to do with your mindset. A lot of time has to do with your mindset. One of my mentors said that 20% of success has to do with tactics and strategies, but 80% has to do with your mindset. So what is your mind? How do you think? Very important. So with the success challenge actually brings to you, motivation videos from successful people like Les Brown, Bob Proctor, Zig Ziglar, Brian Tracy, and a whole lot of other people, Steve Harvey, and all those people. And after listening to them, you're really fired up and then you have a direction in your life, which is also very important. What I like about a success challenge is that it caters for the strategy, and it also caters much more for your mental aptitude, the way you think as an entrepreneur. And within these 30 sessions, oh boy, your mindset will change. You will grow as an entrepreneur. You will not only learn tactics, how to do things, but why you are doing things, and how to connect your emotions into what you're doing, and be confident as a person. It teaches you everything. If you're just a beginner, don't worry whether I don't know how to set up these. I don't know how to. It teaches you how to set up an autoresponder. It teaches you how you can create a private email, how you can create a domain. All these little details are catered for in the success challenge. So yeah, this is actually tip, and this is a great product. I recommend anyone and everyone who is interested in starting an online business. If you want to earn more money, you don't have another stream of revenue, this is actually a phenomenal product.